Hello, it's Jason from the Marine Channel, and we've got a real treat for you today. We've got a world premiere. I'm going to swing the camera around because it's not about me, it's about this beautiful boat. So, what have we got here? Well, this is the Duchy Sport. It's an 11.2 metre boat, so that translates to about 36 feet. It's made by a company called Cockwells. Or Cockwells. Basically, it's a shipbuilder down in Myler, in Cornwall, in England. Next to it is perhaps the boat that it's better known for, which is the Duchy 35. We're going to review that very, very soon. That's a stunning boat as well, but today is all about this Sport. So let's step aboard and see what we've got. So lovely, great big bathing platform down here, of course. Where you can see that Duchy Sport world premiere, that's actually a lift-up storage compartment, and sat nestled away in there is a wakeboard, because this, unbelievably, is a wakeboarding boat. Yes, you heard it here first. You can go out and wakeboard on this. How much fun is that? But it's also a very, very civilised day boat. So what have we got here? We've got a couple of massive sun pads here, and you'll see on this right hand pad, starboard side, you can actually adjust that, and you can kind of break its spine. So if you like, it's probably more obvious if I come around here, it actually has kind of a reclining feature there, and you can sit there and you can look back at whoever is surfing along behind you on their wakeboard. Come back a little bit more, and you've got a couple of good seats here, and you can see on that side, down the port side, the cushion's been flipped back to make an extra long sun pad, and on this side you can flip it forward and you can be looking ahead. Power on this boat are Yamaha 370s, so this boat's capable of around 41 knots, so it's no slouch. Okay, around here what have we got? Well, we've got another seating area, very, very nice. Now, you're maybe looking at this and going, well, what on earth is that? Who's left that on the table? Well, this boat's a sold boat. This is hull number one, and the owner wanted to have this bespoke feature, which the yard has done for him. So here you've got a nice little sink, and you've also got a little grill as well. So you can cook and prepare things up here whilst still being part of the action. So that's very, very nice. I'll show you where that would normally be sat, if you like, on a standard boat. But Cockwells will do bespoke features for you. Just want to show you along the side decks here. Really, really nice and safe and easy to move around this boat. Nice handrails. Nice big sun pad at the front here, of course. And then we've got our anchor and chain all down there in a hatch. And the anchor is discreetly stored in underneath the bow. So lines on this boat are absolutely stunning. Let's just look back and have a look at that. So it's got this T-top. Now in this configuration at the moment, that's open to the elements. But you can put some screens in there. They slide in around there, and you can make that a completely enclosed area. So if you're not in the warmest climate, or you are sat down there of an evening, you can close that all up, and you've got your heating to keep you nice and snug and warm. So just show you the view here in on the helm. So all your instrumentation, obviously. Got a triple helm seat there as well. And on the right hand screen you can see it's all bespoke, so it's all Cockwells, you can see there, and you can change the configuration on there. You can move your ballast tanks around, and you can set it up to really perform as the wake boat that it promises. Throttle control and all that good stuff. Okay, so it's a stunning looking boat. It's a lovely boat to move around. I've got to say, I am the clumsiest man in the world. I haven't fallen over yet. And there's all these wonderful little details. All this carbon fibre down the side here, beautiful handrails. Got a refrigerator down here as well, so you can reach for that cold beer, lemonade or champagne. And then we can go below. So nice little seating area down here. If the weather's not great, you can actually put a little infill cushion in here as well. So you could make this as an overnighter. Really great headroom as well. And very, very light. Got a couple of portholes there. Got a hatch up here as well. but actually quite a nice space. And if you can hear some music in the background, there you go. This is the promotional video, and if I just focus on that for a moment, you'll be able to see it doing what it does best. There you go. Wow, how cool is that? Fantastic. Okay, so let's just move back up onto the deck area and finish off. So this is hole number 1. This is the world premiere, so we're delighted. Thank you very much to the team at Cockwells for letting us come aboard. Delighted to be amongst the first to have a chance to film the boat. And also, whilst we were waiting to come aboard, they've sold hole number 2. So we were lucky enough to see the next set of owners that are going to be able to enjoy this boat. I believe it's going to be going down into the Med somewhere. What a fantastic boat to have. Maybe the ultimate day boat, but with the potential to do a little bit of overnighting as well. Great boat. So keep your eyes peeled, they'll start to appear out on the water. In the meantime, thank you very, very much indeed for joining us here at the Marine Channel. Please make sure that you click on the subscribe button, and then we'll alert you every time we launch a new video. Thanks very much indeed, and we'll see you all again soon.